If you're thinking about getting the TOPENS Gate Opener to upgrade your home security and convenience, hold on for a second, because there's a lot you need to know before you buy. I'm going to reveal some surprising truths about this gate opener that might just change your mind. But here's what surprised me. People love this gadget, yet many are running into issues that can drive you up the wall faster than your gate opening slowly on a cold morning. Stick around as we break down the good, the bad, and the not-so-pretty parts of the TOPENS Gate Opener, because unlike those glitzy product pages, I'm giving you the honest scoop that Amazon reviews don't always tell you. Buckle up, this might just save you from a costly mistake, or get you exactly what you need if you know the quirks. Let's start with the basics. The TOPENS Gate Opener promises to bring convenience to your doorstep by automating your gate with an easy-to-install motor system compatible with swing gates weighing up to 550 pounds. It claims to transform your entryway into a hands-free zone, ideal for homeowners who hate fumbling for keys or struggling with heavy, old gates. Sounds perfect if you're busy, like a parent juggling kids or someone who just loves cool, smart home gear. But is it really worth the price tag? Let's dig into what you're actually getting and why that 4.2-star rating might not tell the whole story. Now, here's where most people get excited. The TOPENS Gate Opener boasts a smooth motor and a user-friendly remote system with a claimed operating distance of about 100 yards. You get quick installation guides. They say it can be done in just a couple of hours. Also, it features adjustable torque settings so your gate won't swing wildly or slam shut. Plus, it includes safety sensors aimed at preventing accidents, like if little Timmy decides to play catch near your gate or Fido wants to sneak out to chase squirrels. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the twist. Many users have reported that the installation is anything but quick, and sometimes those safety sensors don't work as promised. Speaking of installation nightmares, imagine this. You've got your brand new TOPENS Gate Opener ready, remote in hand, visions of hands-free bliss dancing in your head. You dig in to install it on your gate only to discover the instructions are vague at best, and at worst, conflicting. A bunch of users who left reviews on Amazon say they spent half a day and multiple trips to hardware stores because the provided mounting hardware didn't fit their gate types or needed bolts of a size not included. So if you're not a seasoned DIYer or don't have a handy neighbor with a toolbox full of random parts, things can get frustrating real fast. Oh, and did I mention the motor sometimes struggles on heavier gates or in cold weather? Yeah, that can be an issue if your gate weighs on the upper limit or you live somewhere that turns the snow off like a sprinkler. Now, remember how I mentioned the safety sensors. Ideally, they stop the gate if something's in the way. But users have reported the opposite happening, where gates keep closing despite obstacles or sense triggers that cause false alarms and stop the gate unnecessarily. One reviewer said her dog was almost trapped because the sensors stopped working properly. Imagine trying to be the next gatekeeper in your neighborhood and ending up needing a rescue mission instead. Another common complaint is about connectivity issues with the remotes. Some customers experience the remotes losing sync, meaning you have to undergo a frustrating reprogramming process or worse, physically open the gate the old-fashioned way, manually. But don't cancel that online shopping cart just yet. Let me rehook you with this. Despite the complaints, many people swear by the TOPENS Gate Opener for its value and that sweet convenience once properly set up. One reason this product remains popular is that it blends affordability with features that generally are only found in higher-priced models. Plus, the company customer service, while sometimes slow, does respond to troubleshooting issues if you're patient. So if you're comfortable with a bit of a learning curve and can handle some DIY modifications, this gate opener could be your silent sentinel, opening for you like a loyal but slightly forgetful butler. For whom is this product really ideal? If you live in a suburban setting with a medium-duty swing gate and you're looking for a budget-friendly, semi-smart home upgrade without spending thousands, this could be a nice fit. Also, if you're somewhat technical or handy, someone who enjoys assembling gadgets and tinkering a bit, this might be satisfying for you. On the other hand, if you want a plug-and-play experience with zero hassle, you might want to keep scrolling because this one requires commitment, kind of like dating someone who's great but always forgetting their keys. You might be wondering, is the price really justified? At roughly the mid-range for gate openers, TOPENS sits in a competitive market. Some gate openers cost twice as much but boast smoother operation, better build quality, and stronger warranty support. However, for those on a budget, it ticks enough boxes to be tempting. Here's a joke for you. Why did the gate opener go to therapy? Because it couldn't handle being pushed around. But seriously, the motor can feel a bit overworked if your gate is old or misaligned. So maintenance and adjustments might be more frequent than you'd like. Now, to add some sweetness to the sour bits, customers praise the TOPENS gate opener for its sturdy build and quiet operation compared to older mechanical gate systems. One user wrote that, after figuring out the installation quirks, their gate now opens smoothly and reliably, saving them precious time every day. It's also quite satisfying knowing you don't have to keep getting out of your car when it's pouring rain. And with useful safety features and a decent remote range, it's a practical upgrade if used correctly. Another user joked that their kids think the gate opener is magic, which means you might score some cool parent points simply by having it. To summarize where you stand now, the TOPENS gate opener has clear benefits, automation, decent price, and workable safety elements. But it's not perfect. It comes with caveats about installation, occasional sensor and motor quirks, and customer support that can test your patience. So remember, buying this is a trade-off. If you want convenience and like to DIY, this is worth considering. But if you want flawless, out-of-the-box performance with zero troubleshooting, look elsewhere. Imagine telling your friends you saved money but also got a full weekend project. Sounds like a weird combo, but that's the reality here. Still intrigued? Before you decide, think about your gate's weight, your mechanical savvy, and how much patience you have for setup. To help you make your final call, I've included a direct Amazon link in the description below, where you can find the best current price, customer reviews, and detailed specs. And just a heads up, prices and availability sometimes fluctuate, so grab it when you see a deal. Because, between us, this little gadget can be a game changer once you tame its quirks. Here's another joke before we wrap up. Why don't gate openers ever get invited to parties? Because they always close things early. But seriously, if you're ready for that extra layer of security plus the comfort of remote access, the TOPENS gate opener delivers solid performance when you're hands-on and prepared. And hey, if it gets your gate open without you breaking a sweat, isn't that reason enough to invest? It's like having a personal butler who never takes a day off. The bottom line: don't buy the TOPENS gate opener if you want a zero-fuss, install-it-and-forget-it system. But if you're a bit adventurous, willing to troubleshoot, and want an affordable way to automate your gate, this is a product to seriously consider. And honestly, the convenience of pulling up and having your gate open automatically beats fumbling with keys any day, even if it means you have to get your hands a little dirty at the start. So check out the link below to score the best price and make your entrance effortless. After all, life's too short to slow down at the gate.